Hello, everyone. Are you tired of boring, unhealthy breakfasts or spending way too much time cooking in the morning? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're making an energizing and delicious broccoli breakfast scramble, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or simply someone who loves a great breakfast packed with nutrition, this recipe is perfect for you. Stick around as we turn simple ingredients into a vibrant, flavorful dish that will kickstart your day on the right foot. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let me give you a quick reason why broccoli is the star of today's recipe. This compact green superfood is loaded with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin C and K, and powerful antioxidants, all of which help support digestion, immunity, and overall health. Plus, its satisfying crunch and subtle earthy flavor pair perfectly with eggs for a breakfast dish that's both filling and delicious. Incorporating greens into your breakfast is a game changer, and this scramble makes it so easy. Ready to bring some green into your mornings? Let's move on to the recipe. Here's a quick rundown of what you'll need to make this broccoli breakfast scramble. 1 small head of fresh broccoli, or 1 cup of pre-cut florets, 2 large eggs, or your preferred plant-based substitute, a handful of cherry tomatoes, about 5-6, salt, pepper, and chili flakes to taste, fresh herbs like parsley or basil, optional for garnish, olive oil, or a light cooking spray for the pan. That's it! Just a handful of everyday, simple ingredients that deliver big on flavor and nutrition. Let's start with a few quick prep tips to keep things efficient and stress-free. First, take the broccoli and chop it into small, bite-sized florets. If you're short on time, feel free to use frozen broccoli. It works just as well and skips the cutting process. Next, slice your cherry tomatoes in half to add a burst of juicy sweetness to the scramble. Finally, crack your eggs into a small bowl and give them a quick whisk with a pinch of salt. If you're a super planner, you can even prep broccoli the night before to save more time in the morning. It's little steps like these that make healthy eating manageable even on your busiest days. Now it's time for the fun part. Cooking this dish is super simple and really fast, so let's fire up that stove and get started. Step 1. Heat the pan. Place a non-stick skillet on medium heat and drizzle in a little olive oil or spray lightly with your favorite cooking spray. This helps everything cook smoothly without sticking to the pan. Step 2. Sauté the broccoli. Add your chopped broccoli florets to the heated pan. Hear that satisfying sizzle? That's the magic beginning. Stir the broccoli around for 2 minutes or until it turns a bright, vibrant green. This quick sauté softens the broccoli slightly while keeping its crunch intact. Step 3. Add tomatoes. Toss in your halved cherry tomatoes and sauté them alongside the broccoli. The tomatoes release a little juice as they cook, creating a natural sauce that adds a slight tanginess to the dish. Stir everything for another minute or so. Step 4. Pour in the eggs. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Pour your beaten eggs, or your plant-based alternative, evenly into the pan. Use a spatula to gently stir and fold the eggs as they cook, turning them into a soft scramble that coats the broccoli and tomatoes perfectly. Step 5. Season to taste. While the eggs are still slightly wet, sprinkle in your spices, some salt, pepper, and a dash of chili flakes for a little heat. Stir everything together until the eggs are cooked through but still fluffy. Perfect. Let me drop a quick tip here. The secret to a soft, creamy scramble is controlling the heat. Keep it on medium and stir continuously to avoid overcooking or drying out the eggs. Trust me, this little adjustment makes all the difference. Your broccoli breakfast scramble is ready to shine. Carefully scoop the scramble onto a plate and get ready to garnish like a pro. Sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley or basil for a splash of color and a hint of herbaceous flavor. Not only does it taste amazing, but it looks like a dish straight out of a gourmet cafe. This recipe is so versatile that you can enjoy it in several ways. Eat it straight from the plate for a low-carb, protein-packed breakfast. Wrap it in a whole-grain tortilla for a convenient grab-and-go option. Pair it with a slice of whole-grain toast or avocado for a more filling meal. Feeling creative? Add a sprinkle of shredded cheese or diced avocado for an extra boost of flavor and creaminess. You can also swap in spinach or kale for broccoli if you want to mix things up. Let's take a moment to appreciate why this broccoli breakfast scramble belongs in your morning routine. Quick and easy. With just 5 minutes of effort, you can have a hot and healthy meal ready before you head out the door. Nutrient-packed. Broccoli, eggs, and tomatoes bring together vitamins, protein, and fiber to keep you satisfied and energized. Meal prep friendly. This recipe is easy to double or triple, so you can make a batch in advance and reheat it for breakfast throughout the week. With a combination like this, you're not just saving time, you're elevating your entire morning routine. And there you have it, folks. Our broccoli breakfast scramble is not only quick and simple, but also jam-packed with flavor and nutrition. Healthy mornings don't have to be boring or time-consuming, and this dish proves just that. I hope you're feeling inspired to give it a try. When you do, don't forget to make it your own. Add your favorite toppings, pair it with your go-to breakfast sides, or experiment with different veggies. And most importantly, enjoy every bite. If you loved this recipe and want to see more like it, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how your broccoli breakfast scramble turns out, or share your favorite time-saving breakfast ideas to inspire others. I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. Here's to healthier, happier mornings. Until next time, stay healthy and keep your mornings delicious. Bye.